In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase both the font size and the overall screen view in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working remotely, attending meetings, or just collaborating with your team, customizing your display can make a huge difference in comfort and productivity. First, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. Open the desktop app or navigate to the official Teams website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you're ready to start adjusting the display settings to suit your preferences. The easiest way to enlarge text and interface elements is by using keyboard shortcuts. To zoom in, simply press Ctrl and the plus key together. This will increase the size of text, images, and other interface elements, making everything more readable. You can press this combination multiple times until you reach your desired size. If you need to reduce the screen size, press Ctrl and the minus key at the same time. This zooms out your view, which can be helpful if you want to see more content on your screen or manage multiple windows at once. It's important to note that these changes only affect your view. Other team members will see the original display, so these adjustments are purely personal. They allow you to work comfortably without affecting shared content or meetings. These shortcuts work seamlessly in most web browsers and the Teams desktop application. If the zoom isn't applying as expected, try restarting Teams or checking for updates to resolve minor glitches. Being able to adjust font and screen size on the fly improves both accessibility and productivity, especially on devices with varying resolutions. It's a simple tweak that can make a big difference in your daily Teams experience. To summarize, using Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl- to zoom out allows you to personalize your Microsoft Teams interface for better readability and comfort. Experiment with these shortcuts until you find the setup that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more tips for Microsoft Teams. Happy adjusting!